Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you? Hope you are fine. Welcome back on our YouTube channel Wear Waves, where you get the latest beautiful and stylish dress designs. So friends, if you are visiting our channel Wear Waves for the first time, then make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notification of our videos. So let's start our video. So friends, in this video we're gonna show you the latest and different types of hijab. So friends, there is a humble request for you. Please watch this video till end and share this video to your family and friend, so that they will also have an idea about the kind of latest and beautiful designs. Hope you are like my video.